Look at my beautiful onions, you guys, that I'm getting ready to plant. They look great. Got these from Dixondale Farms out of Texas. I got some red Creole onions. Okay. Some Texas early white onions. Looking great. And some Texas Legend yellow onions. Oh, they look great. They look great. They were sold in 4 dozen bundles, and I got 2 bundles of each color. So I got a lot to plant. Yellow, white, and red onions. Getting ready to plant in Big Mama's garden. Looking great, yes you are. I'm just gonna take a quick look around the garden. Everything is looking beautiful. Okay, cabbage, come on, cabbage. Come on, cabbage. I'm gonna add a few more of my electroculture copper wiring around in some of the beds. Look over here. Okay, cabbage, come on. Come on, go. Look at my broccoli over there. Back in the back, I see your carrots. I see your carrots. I need to clean this here bed here out. Get rid of all of the basil that has gone to seed and pull out this last bell pepper plant that I have. And I see a few peppers still growing on it. What is that? That's another broccoli right there. And that's supposed to be a Brussels sprout back there in the back. There may be Brussels sprout here too. I think I put the Brussels sprout on this side and the broccoli over on this side. Okay. I still don't see any of my onions that I did previously had planted over here coming up. But I'm getting ready to use this area for some of my new onions that I just got in that I'm gonna plant over in here. Okay, looking good. Okay, collard greens. Y'all gotta come on up. Come on up, collard greens. This was my watermelon bed during the summertime, but I think this don't look like collard greens. I don't know what you are. I hope you're not watermelon trying to grow again. And over in that corner, they're looking like watermelon. Some of the seeds that left over in here. But come on, collard greens. Come on and grow for us. I am shocked. I am surprised. Look at my eggplant coming in here growing at the last minute. I had wrapped some copper wiring around you. Did that help you germinate? Start coming out? Because y'all were not doing anything this summer. Look at here. Eggplant growing now. I see you. Boy, I was shocked to turn around and see eggplant growing here. Late in November. Okay, eggplant. Okay, we're gonna get some eggplant. I thought this plant was not gonna produce anything for me. That the cold weather was gonna kill it off, but that did not stop them from growing. Come on, look at that. Eggplant. Eggplant growing late in November. Okay, this is where my Brussels sprouts are. Okay, you're looking good. Come on, grow me some Brussels sprouts. This will be my first time growing Brussels sprouts. Come on, Brussels sprouts. Supposed to be some carrots back up in there. I don't see as many of them sprouted out yet. Over here is some more of my collard greens. Come on, collard greens. You're looking great. Yes, you are. Come on, get bigger for me. Ever since here biting you, please get off my collard greens. I see a lot of little holes in you. Come on now. Can't have that. Okay, my new little elevated raised bed. I don't see anything germinated yet. I know just soon you're gonna come. Got my other elevated raised bed in. I gotta put it together. Be right next to you. Okay, come on. Still have peppers growing in November. Come on. Look at my jalapeno peppers here. Oh boy. Oh yes. Okay, I got a lot to harvest. Okay, I see some more peppers over there. Okay, peppers. I put some of the electric culture around you too. Look at that. The copper wiring going around you. That boosts you some, gave you some energy. This is gonna be where I'm gonna put my white onions in this bed right here. Getting them all together to get ready to plant. Look at my beautiful mustard green leaves. Oh, look at you. Y'all have gotten bigger. Okay. Need to harvest you guys soon. Look at that. Look at that beautiful mustard greens. Yes. My lettuce was looking a lot better over here. I need to come on and harvest some of you guys. Look like he's trying to bolt and go to seed there. I don't need that. Come on now. Come on, Kale. Come on and get bigger for me. Oh, look at you. You're getting bigger. Come on, Kale. Come on, grow bigger for us. Yes. This is supposed to be my spinach over here. Come on, spinach. Grow bigger for us. I still have some collard greens over here. Need to get a little bigger. Come on. Pomegranate and apple. Come on. Some more collard greens over here along with some squash growing over in here. Let's see. Okay, squash. I think I put some more broccoli over here. Yeah, that's broccoli. Broccoli. Some more broccoli over here. I think that's a squash. Spaghetti squash. Come on. And look at my lemons. Time to harvest some more lemons and make some more lemonade. I see y'all trying to turn yellow out here. I didn't have to take y'all inside. Come on. Come on, lemon tree. I see you up there. I see you. Come on. Okay. We're going to have us some more lemonade. Okay, my avocado plant over here looking good. And my Jamaican sorrel. Okay. I had brought them in for a little while when it had turned cold. And I brought them back out because it got back hot out here. Look at my Jamaican sorrel there. I see some more flowers blooming on you. Okay. Ready to harvest some more Jamaican sorrel soon. Come on, avocado tree. Grow for me. Come on, grow. Grow some avocados, please. Well, I see something sprouting there. Come on now. Come on, avocado. Grow for us. Okay, Jamaican sorrel. Looking nice.